welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Okay, so this is going to be a two-part try on haul, right? So there's going to be a couple little full outfits in there. So the first part you guys are going to see 3 outfits, and another part you're going to see another 3 outfits. Listen, if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so don't pay me no mind. All right, guys, so let's just dive right into the first set of try on haul. Like I said, it's the first one, is the first 3 outfits, and then the next video you guys will see another set of 3 outfits. All right, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so let's dive right into getting into these outfits. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys, it's a full try on haul. So they are like, it's like a couple of sweater dresses, and then I think one of them is like a pants outfit. So mainly most of them are sweater dresses, like one of them is like a little pants outfit, whatever. So you guys are going to see them, and of course, you know, like I said, you guys in the comments, please put which one is your favorite outfit. So let's just dive right into outfit number 1. And like I said, guys, I will be wearing, you know, jewelry in every single outfit, only because just to show you guys what it looks like with a little bit of an accessory. Okay, so let's get into that. Okay, guys, so this is sweater dress number 1. So it is a black silhouette sweater dress, right? And it has this nice light gray lines going down. And if you guys can see, I'm just gonna get a little bit of close up so you guys can actually see the lines going down on the sweater dress itself, right? You guys can see that, right? Right, I love this sweater dress. I haven't worn it anywhere yet, right? So, but listen, I'm ready. Okay, so yeah, I haven't worn it anywhere yet, but I absolutely love it. I really love this dress. It's comfortable, nice and long sleeve. It is like perfect. It is absolutely perfect. And, you know, so but like I said, guys, keep tabs on my Instagram, because eventually I will wear it to something, and I will post a outfit photo. So yeah, guys, this is what the sweater dress looks like. And just to show you guys, it's very form-fitting, it's warm, it's comfortable. You could throw on, literally you could throw on a cute pair of flats, like with some gold accessories. I have some gold flats that I could just throw on with this, some cute accessories, or even some silver flats with some silver accessories. Even throw on a black pump heel. You can even throw on a red pump, throw on a different color. Because it's black, you can play around with it. Play around with it. Don't be afraid to play around with your outfits. Right, so just to show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so that's what you guys can see. Yes, guys. So you guys can see. So yeah, this is the sweater dress, guys. So, and just another close up so you guys can see. You may not see from far away, but it is lined. It is lined. So just to show you guys, like when it's like not stretched, it literally it comes together, and then like it comes together. But then when you actually, you know, put it on, it stretches and it gives you this little nice line pattern. Yeah. So, all right, guys. So yeah, this is it. All right. Okay. So let me get on to outfit number 2 for you guys. Okay, guys, so this is outfit number 2, right? So as you guys can see, it is a pant legging, right, with a crop top. So I want you guys to check out my Instagram to see exactly how I paired this outfit. So what I did, this actually came with this pants. The top came with the pants. So what I did, I actually put on a turtleneck instead with a nice long sleeve with it. Oh my god, instead of this, because I was actually going out, and I put on some nice knee-high boots, right, with these pants, and oh my gosh, this outfit was perfectly complete. So just to show you guys, this is the outfit that it was, right? Right, and like I said, I just threw on a necklace just so you guys can see how it looks with an accessory. You can put on a more subtle necklace. You can put on a necklace at all. You can put on a long one. You just be creative, and you can even throw on a nice cute belt Now, at the time, like I said, I didn't have a belt, so I was just like, okay, what am I gonna do with this? So I let it be. So with the boots and then the nice necklace that I had on with the turtleneck, it was perfect. I didn't even need it. I thought it worked. It worked perfectly. Oh my God, guys, look at this. I'm over here like feel like I'm holding my bun. Right, so just so you guys can see, right? And just so you guys can see close up, so you guys can see the pattern. Do you guys see the pattern of the actual thing? It's a really nice pattern. It's a really, really nice pattern. So yeah, this is the pattern of it, right? It's the pattern of the pants. This is the pattern of it, like a more another close up, right? Yeah, so this is the pattern. Like I said, you can throw on a belt with it, right? And you can even like mix up your accessories, anything you want. I love this little jumper outfit. It's different. It's out of the ordinary, you know? So yes. All right. Yes, guys. All right. So, yeah. All right. So that is outfit number 2. So I am going to get to show you guys outfit number 3 now. So it's going to be another sweater dress. All right. Okay, guys. So this is outfit number 3. Right. So just to show you guys, right. This is funny. When me putting on this dress, I literally felt like it was like a long snuggie, like nightgown kind of thing going on here. So I threw on some heels because I was like, what is happening? You know, so yeah, so this is what it looks like. It honestly is loose, it's warm, it's comfortable, stretchy. When I mean it's warm and stretchy, it is warm and stretchy. Now I love it. I decided to, like I said, throw some heels on with it so that way, you know, just to lift it up to show you guys. Ooh. Just to lift it up to show you guys. I threw some heels on with it, just so you guys can, you know, give it some height. But yes, yes. Actually, let me take off the heels and just keep it real with you guys here. This is how long this thing is. Look how long this thing is. I feel like it's like dragging on the floor a little bit, but it's not bad. It's warm, and let me do a close-up. It has that nice little teal color, and what I did was, like I said, paired it with another necklace just so you guys can see what it looks like with accessories, right? So yeah, I mean, it's comfortable, it's warm. I mean, it's literally like my foot is like walking on it. I feel really short, you know. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I mean, you know, it's options, it's ideas, you know, a nice little warm outfit. You know, you're going somewhere warm and cozy and comfy, but at the same time, you want to look stylish. You know what I'm saying? So yes. So this is outfit number. This is outfit number 3. Right. I cracked myself up, guys. So yeah, just another close up so you guys can see. Right, another close up, right? And there we have it. Outfit number 3. Alright? So that is it for this video, guys. Of course, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys are the best, 100% best. Please hit that notification bell so you know, get notified anytime your girl posts another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, bye guys.